yeah, no, I'm joking. Right, okay, that's the hook. Now, today, it was fucked, right? So, reason being, it was fucked. So, yesterday after the video, I had to look for some funding because I had $500 to pay my devs, and it's not looking good. Because I got $500 from my mum, which turned out to be £500 basically, due to Upwork fees. That's crazy. Yeah, like, oh, it's still there. And it's crazy because, like, I hate asking money from my mum. I asked my mate Luca, and like in that position, he didn't want to give it to me there and then. Like, I think we're on the same page ish. Well, now more so, and yeah, it's kind of fucked because, like, I have a source of income right now, and I'm just like, I need to work on making videos, trying to go viral, trying to, like, at least, even if I don't get paid for those videos, just two videos a day plus text on screen, or an extra text on screen because they are literally 3 to 4 seconds to make. Find campaigns. If not, I'm like, just build this casino. Just fucking go in it. Full fucking port into the casino. This Think Fast, because right now, like, well, I've got my. I said to them, I was like, I'm not trying to start from scratch, guys. Like, I've got the betting aspect, and like, I need to make sure tomorrow, like, they're on the same, like, page-ish, because they're like, oh, we're just gonna redo the movement and shit and everything. And I'm like, I don't want to get to Friday and I see you guys have taken 10 steps backwards, and they're just like, yeah, so what we're trying to do is we're just trying to get people to spawn in, move in, and shoot. Then then that's good. I was like, move in and shoot? I was like, mate, you do know I've got a full game. Like, what do you mean move in and shoot? Like, what's the quickest way to, like, make my game fucking good? What's the quickest way? Like, it's not quick. And I need to, like, make my final decision with them, make sure they're on a good track before Luca can give me funding for the next 3 months while I try and get BC. Do you know how good and sexy that would be if this fucking goes smoothly, which it won't. No. It won't if I say it won't. It will. Like, I'll make it, if I make it go smoothly. Because then I'm like, well, I don't even need to make a single dollar, and I'll still make my game move. Obviously, I need to, like, find a way to make money. That's why I'm making this other casino, because I want to rinse people. I'm like, this is not relying on other people. Well, it is other users. This Think Fast game, it's more of a, it's not an FPS shooter, which the game I'm building is just a different one. It's more of a, like, yeah, like, I'm gonna make it more against, like, people play single player, and I need to make sure the logic's good. I've came full circle, as you do. Like, if you build anything, you come full circle. It's one of these things you have to go through the circle to realise, like, yeah, I gained experience. Because, like, the thing is, so many people are like, oh, but we could have avoided that. Like, but sometimes you needed to go through full circle. Because, like, if you didn't, like, you wouldn't have gained the experience of what you gathered. And I was like, do you know what? I think I'm an idiot because I should have used one deposit, because I didn't want to do this issue, but I wanted to have users in games wallets. They play against each other, they deposit into a temporary escrow, and then as soon as that game finished, boom, winner gets the money, right? Transaction fees take too long, and right now I'm being a retard and polling and everything, and I was like, do you know what, this is gonna be quite an uphill battle, right? I'm like, for now, I can maybe switch to that. But right now, I'm like, do you know what? Because I was in church, right, today. I can't lie, I was a bit of a twat. 2-3 people asked me about the game. I said I couldn't pay payroll. It's not technically payroll, but you know, like payroll is more like they are relying on you to pay their full salary. That wasn't the case at all. But paying devs, like, I just overplayed myself. I oversold it within payroll. Pretty game. And people are like, oh, that's a good place to be at, you know, at least you're at payroll. Like, that's pretty far into a business. I was like, anyone could get payroll. It's like you could make a job listing, hire someone, and then like within a month or a few weeks, you'll be at payroll. And you don't even have to have a business. And you don't even have to have money to pay them. Yes, it's fucked up, but I know what people say. But anyway, yeah, I've lost the thread. Yeah. So I was going to now. Anyway, the system is, I'm going to have it so users can deposit money into one escrow. And I didn't know PDA, right? This is like my other dev Sam was like talking bad about PDAs, right? PDAs, I was like, is this like smart contracts? Because I can't afford a smart contract. That's like $1,000 for like, I'm not a shit, you know. Oh my god, my bollocks. It's literally like $1,000 for like 24 kilobytes. No, 200 kilobytes. $1,000. You know, I've said this so loads of times in the video, right? And I thought, you know, PDAs is like connected to your smart contract. No, it's I can't remember. It's like programmed. It's a programmed escrow thing. And if I don't store on this, and I don't have to pay at all, because I have to pay LAN ports fees, which is Solana, like 2,000 LAN ports is like 0.2 Sol. Rent, if I want to store data, I'm like, well, I could just store data on server. That's what I'm going to do. Store data on server using the PDA. So if, right, everyone has all the money in the PDA, the one PDA, like, oh, but if that gets hacked, it's less likely. And if it does get hacked, I will have a procedure in place where I pause the PDA. As in, it's like meltdown. You know, in these films, like, they have a meltdown button. It's like nothing moves. Everything's frozen. It literally freezes every person's money. And then you could just say maintenance, and then you can get down to the bottom of it, migrate users' funds, unpause it, and for like very quickly, already setting up a destination wallet just to like migrate shit and then migrate it again, and then like activate it and then like relink it or whatever the fuck. And this way, I'm like, our users can go into a 1v1, like reaction time, they click, as soon as the winner wins, or as soon as you deposit, you can instantly see the fucking balance go down. Because what happens is, it's just like, it's not like, I don't know how Bollocks and all these other people do it. They might even fucking lie to you. It might be just a placeholder, as in, I just write 2 Sol on your balance. You got 2 Sol because you deposited 2 Sol, but it goes into 1 vault, and then you just like, all you have to do is then, it's easy, you just change numbers. He wins. What was the number? What was the deposit? 2 Sol. And I take 95%. So let's just say he gets 2 Sol. So he gets 2 Sol plus 2 Sol profit. Boom. Written instantly. Bam. There's no transactions. There's no 30 to 60 seconds. There's no polling. There's no fuckery. There's no like, they've deposited but the money hasn't received yet, the server hasn't received the money, and someone needs to get paid out, and the fucking server hasn't even received the fucking deposit. It's like, it's all there. And then we just fucking have it. So if users want to fucking withdraw, then we just take it from where the database value is. I need to make sure that doesn't get fucked. Like, let's say 2 Sol. Then we'll withdraw 2 Sol or 4 Sol. They put the destination wallet and the UI, and we withdraw from the PDA to their destination wallet. Boom. Like, this is why I couldn't launch like last week. Like, because like mainnet with real money, this is why you need to really like test it. DevNet is not good to test, because DevNet is like, it's like a paradise. Like, everything works. Like, if you could be, long as it's shit but it works, it works. But if it's shit, LiveNet, real money, tells you if it's shit, because there's real thing like fucking delays, it exposes it. And like live production is the best testing you can do, because in development environments it is stupid. It is like the first quick fix. Like if something works, you set up an environment just to see if this issue keeps happening. Oh, if it does happen in this issue as well as development, then I can go back and forth, so it's quicker. But when you want to properly, like, you think you've tested it, like you fixed the bug, you think you fixed it, now you need to make it into production mode, because production mode is like stripping a person naked and seeing all their insecurities and their flaws. It is the best way to like basically see if it works. But yeah, anyway, see you guys in the next video. Whoop.